In this video, we use our laser machine to create a paint organizer that's stylish, practical, and easy to make. See how it was done.
After doing a number of other projects requiring painting, I realized that having a paint and brush holder on our craft table would be really handy. Instead of buying something, this seemed like a good excuse for a new project. I made two versions of this paint holder. One was made from 1/8" Baltic birch, which is what's cutting here. The other was made from 1/8" acrylic. I thought it would be nice to show the differences between the two versions. The end result was roughly the same, but the assembly was slightly different. The nice thing about them are their size. They're pretty small, and given the material thickness used, should be cuttable on any laser, including home hobby lasers like a Glowforge. The wood version had its material masked to keep it very clean from the lasers burning. All the mask had to be peeled away before I could glue it together. The holder was glued using a regular wood glue. The supports were first glued into the holder's base. The supports were designed as a single piece. This way, the middle layer of the holder could slide onto the supports and would stop at the correct height. This simplified how the whole project would go together. The top of the holder just needed to be glued on to the top of the supports. You'll notice I used a silicone brush and a holder for the wood glue. If you do a lot of this kind of gluing, a silicone brush is nice to use. When the glue dries on it, it just peels right off. For the acrylic version, I used a white acrylic for the base and clear for the middle and top layers. Any color would have worked, but I had scraps laying around and thought this color combination would be interesting. Assembly was easy with no glue to mess with. I used some brass standoffs and screws to secure each layer. A link to the parts used will be included in the description below. The holders were each given a quick test to see how they worked. I think they came out really good. I don't actually know which one I like better. We have more projects planned, which means I'll be adding more paints to our inventory, so I'm sure I'll end up using both.
Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think, and if you've ever thought about doing a project like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified of future projects. We have more projects coming soon. Stay tuned.